Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching System Restore right away so we don't waste time. Open Control Panel, go to Recovery, and select Open System Restore. This shows available restore points and timestamps. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator and your laptop is plugged in to avoid power loss. Close all open applications and save documents. Once done, choose the most recent stable restore point and click Next to start the process. This prepares the machine for an uninterrupted rollback. Now execute the restore by confirming the restore point details and reviewing which programs or drivers will be affected. This helps you anticipate what changes. Once you verify, click Finish to begin the automatic restore sequence. The system will warn you and then reboot. During the operation, Windows replaces system files and registry settings to their previous state, which can take 15–30 minutes depending on disk speed. Make sure not to power off the PC. Let the process complete and Windows will restart into the restored state. After the restart, log in and immediately test critical applications, network access, and drivers to confirm the issue is resolved. If something still fails, don't panic. Boot into safe mode and attempt System Restore again, or pick an earlier restore point. Sometimes a different snapshot fixes conflicts. If Restore repeatedly fails, use a full system image backup or perform an in-place repair install. Finally, make sure to create regular restore points and a full backup going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.